dalaginding, Ma'am Maylin. Mali ang hula. Dalaginding yun. Dalaginding yun, madam. Okay, this one, yung may hilig sa malaking shorts na ganito, madam. May garter. Dalaginding, Ma'am Maylin. Okay, this one, mga madam, pang size 32. High waist to, ha? Size 32 high waist. May garter pa yan, madam. Size 32 high waist, may bulsa. Yes, green. Size 32 high waist, may bulsa. Yes, green. Yes, green. Yes, green. Yes, green. Yes, green, 50 pesos. Next. This one, Madam C, Moda International. Nakalagay sa kanya ay extra small. Sukatin ko. Cotton to, ha? Baka kasya sa akin. Small. Small dress. Extra small to small. Kakasya. Ala, traffic sa braso. Extra small to small. O, sikip sa akin, madam eh. Dress yan, ha? Mini dress. Cotton. Extra small to small, yes, mini. Sikip sa akin, o. Extra small to small, yes, mini. Moda International ang brand. Yes, green, si Ma'am Lorian. Okay, next. Skinny jeans pandalaginding ulit. Refuge, ang brand. High waist. Skinny jeans. High waist to, madam, ah. Stretchable. High waist. Skinny jeans, madam. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ganda. Pangdalaginding ulit to. Mga 10 to 12 years old naman to. 10 to 12 years old. Again, size 24. Size 24 high waist, madam. Size 24 high waist. Yes, high. Refuge ang brand. Skinny jeans. Yes, high for only 50 pesos. Yes, high. High waist, size 24, 10 to 12 years old. Yes,